A lot of times we're feeling so pent up, all this anxiety and stress from our modern life. But did you know that if you just go outside and observe the 333 nature rule, you can de-stress quickly?
Slow it down, look around. When your mind begins to race and the world feels out of place, take a moment, stand right here, let the quiet reappear. Nature helps you slow your mind, peace is easier to find. Three things you can see: leaves, clouds, tall green trees. Three things you can hear: wind moving soft and clear. Three things you can feel: ground beneath your heels. Breathe in, breathe free. That is the 333. Let your senses guide the way. Bring your focus to today. Notice life in every sound. Let your calm come back around. Simple steps can set you free. Just remember 333. Things you can see: mountains, birds, bright green leaves. Three things you can hear: water flowing near. Three things you can feel: sunlight warm and real. Breathe in, breathe free. That is the 333. See three, hear three, feel three. Calm returns to me.
Here's how it goes. You want to first identify 3 things that you can look at, the view. So right now I can see a bird flying in the sky. I can see the green leaves on the tree, and I can see a butterfly passing by. The next one is your 3 sounds. Right now I can hear 3 sounds at least. I can hear the water rushing. I can hear the birds singing. And I can hear the wind rustling through the trees. And then we want to observe 3 things that we can feel. Right now I can feel the sunshine on my skin. I can feel the fresh air in my lungs. And if I just go over here, I can touch the rock or the water and feel those things. By identifying 3 things that you can see, 3 things that you can hear, and 3 things that you can feel, you're instantly calming your nervous system. You're releasing endorphins and you're leaving stress behind you.